Awesome morning, beautiful afternoon, successful evening, amazing day to also wherever we are throughout the world. I just want to do a review of my trade on RoyalQ, which I started on the 18th of May. You can see on the 18th of May, I loaded my Binance account with I loaded my Binance account with $800. That's why I can see it here, May 18. I started trade for RoyalQ with 800 today, 18th of May. Now the beauty of RoyalQ is that your Binance, see, this is my RoyalQ app and this is my Binance app. My money, my profits, my capital is in my Binance app, and this is my RoyalQ app. My capital is in my Binance app where it is being traded. Now let me open my Binance app. That's where I loaded my $800. You can see if I go to my wallets, you can see overview. I go to sports. If I check when I loaded this, let me see. Let me go to home, P2P trading. I go to this place. I go to completed. If I check the month of, that is 18/5, 18/5, 18, 18/5. Okay, yes, this is 18/5. That was when I just want to show us proofs. That was when I loaded my Binance with $800. I bought $800, 18, 18 May, 18 May, May 28th, May 28th, May 28th, 18 May, 18 May. Oh, yes, this is it. I loaded it 18 May. You can see 800 USDT. That was when I loaded my Binance with $800. So, uh, I'm just doing a review of my trade so far from the month 18th of May 2022. That was when I started this trade with $800. And so far, so good. That $800 has accrued for me from $800. If I go and check my Binance app, it has accrued for me from now. If I go to wallets, you can see here it's 944. You can see it's now 944. It's actually more than that, but because so you can see 944 in my spot wallet. So actually in my RoyalQ, you can see I still have some trade that has gone down. You can see here this one is on a floating loss of minus 37. There's another floating loss of minus floating loss of minus 37, minus 8, minus 14. Those are my floating loss. That means it doesn't mean that I'm losing. It's because the market has gone down. It has gone down by minus 8. So if I go to you can see, let me give an example. This KSM coin, when I started it has bought for me total amount. It has when I first started, it has bought this amount 449. But if I go to my Binance, you can see that same KSM is now worth 400 and what? You can see 44411 from 449. So it has gone down by RoyalQ. Sorry, it's showing me the amount it has gone down. So it's not a real loss, because that's the nature of crypto. It goes up, it goes down. So we only lose when I sell off this coin by myself. If I click here and I click sell, is that's only time I will actually lose. But in crypto, you have to have emotional intelligence. You have to be patient. Even some of this coin, even in the loss, they are still making money. See, even in you can see this coin is down by -7. I started this when I was using one short straight strategy to do this coin, but when I saw that the coin has gone down, I now turn it to circle. I changed to a circle trade, so that even in the why it is deep, it is down, it is still making money. That's why if I click this transaction record here, you can see that it is still even making money. You can see anywhere you see sub sell, still making money, making money, making money. Even in the deep, still making money. You can see it's still making money even in the deep. So most people that always complain about RoyalQ is this, and I'm just like, I've been using this bot for more than about 10 months now. So this is the amount of money it has made for me so far. If I go to revenue up here, from 18 May, can see from 18 May, can see from 18 May, can see how it has been making money daily, 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 daily. You can see that the daily is not the same. From 18 May now to the 8th of June, less than a month, remains just 12 months. And when I did my calculation, total it has made for me is $243. 240. You can see the last figure here, 3.387, 10.35. Let's check. You can see 3.387, 10.35. It has made within less than a month. It has made $243 on the the balance that I have in my Binance. Now, if I go, because I also have a capital that I'm also using to trade in my Wobi, because those are the two exchange that I use for trading on Wobi. I've not even done the calculation for that. It's also making money for me, because the RoyalQ app works on 3 exchanges. You can see here. You can see here. I have about $336 here. So after now, I'll just show us. Can say I have about three. Okay, it has even turned 340. Yesterday it was 336. Yesterday, that has made an extra $4. So if I now go to RoyalQ, I will show us my setting that I use to trade. You can see if I go to quantitative down, you can see up here that this bot is connected to Binance, connected to Wobi, connected to Coinbase Pro, but I'm only connected to Binance and Wobi. Now, if I go to the Wobi section up, you can see these are some of the trade it has done for me. I think yesterday, if I go down to news and I go to other messages, you will see there are no buy in Wobi, there are no sell in Wobi, there are no sell in Binance, there are no sell in Binance, no sell in Binance, there are no sell in Binance, there are no sell in Binance, there are no sell in Wobi. So the bot is amazing. A bot of $120 plus $20 $20 gas fee. Anytime the gas fee is reducing, I load it again. You can see how profitable this bot is. So all these loss, I'm so used to crypto now that I'm not bothered by all this loss, because it's not an actual loss. Because after some time, the market will reverse, and even in the dip, it is still making money daily. So now I want to just show us very quickly strategy that I'm using. So when you want to set up your strategy, go to my strategy settings, then click the plus sign up there to set up your strategy setting. But I want to show the strategy setting I'm using. This one, the strategy I use frequently. This one, this strategy. Let me just click on it. Just observe. I use my first buying amount is always $50, and my margin call is 7 times. Then my margin configuration. This is the way I configure my settings. Just watch. You see, that means for the first call, second call, third call, fourth call, that means anytime the coin goes down by 0.5, you should buy one time $50. If you go down by another seven, that is seven call, that means if it goes down by -1%, you buy another $50. So if it goes down from here, if it goes down to 2%, the addition of 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 is 2%. If it goes down 2%, then you should buy, that is 50 times times 4, $200. So if it goes down again by another 1.5 plus 2, my minus 3.5, you should buy. By -5%, you must buy. By minus, let's say, 3 plus 2, another 6.5%, you should buy. So total you can buy for me here is 50 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $300. Plus the first buying now, that's $350. So the moment you buy up to that, it will sell at this percentage here. That's why I make such amount of money. So you can decide to use these settings for one, and I do one shot. You can see below that I use one shot. So I don't need to be setting the trade up and down. No. So when I see that the trade has gone down, so we now see, when I see that the trade has gone down, I now change to cycle trading like this one that is down. I change it to cycle. You can see it, cycle. Then, since I didn't want you to make any call again, I have already said don't buy any again, because I'm doing money management. Then go down to trade settings. You can see I say you should now buy 12 times, 12 times, and this is my margin one configuration. So I did the setting such a way that even if the market goes down by 5, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 18, 19, 19, that means 21%. That means the coin go down by 21%, the coin will still be buying. And since my first buying amount was already $50, and I told it to be buying 0.31 times, that means if you multiply 0.3, 0.3, 0.31 times $50, that means I want you to buy those $15 anytime it goes down. So it still be making money for me in the deep. So this video is just to show us a review of how my $800 have increased to over nine. It even entered to about $97, but because some of these coins are in floating loss, but I've still made some profits in my Binance exchange and in my hobby. So if you like to sign up and to learn from me how to secure your capital in trading and be making money daily, weekly, where your capital is secured. Your capital is secured, not like all uh these funny uh return on exchange investments that has I've known like five this year that people have entered into. I don't want to mention the names that have crashed. But this same RoyalQ has been in existence for some years now, and you can see RoyalQ makes it easier. It's a quantitative trading made by AI robots. Serves 24/7, even while you are sleeping. Currently, RoyalQ has over 1.4 million users. It has over 114 million total profit in over 200 countries. So this is not a bot that you ever joke with. So if you like to sign up and would like to learn from me, my over 10 month experience in RoyalQ and in crypto trading with this bot, you can contact me through uh, my WhatsApp number in the description below. Thank you very much. My name is Aderemi-Digital once more. Have a blessed day.